possible.
Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Wednesday. I hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. Let's look at the markets overnight. Kind of popped, dipped, and then popped again. ES 69.31 to 69.54. No, 65, sorry. So it's about 34 points in range. NQ's low, 25.354 to 25.515. So about 170 points of range. Copper. I got my chat in the way. 220 ticks in range. Ultra bond. About half a point in range. Gold. Where's my yellow line? There it is. Gold, big range as usual, but it is staying back above 5,000 for now. And looks like 86 points in range there. Crude oil staying above 62, 63, and has about 130 ticks in range. Bitcoin still down around 76K. That's where we sit, stand there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take on this beautiful morning. Q, ES, ES, and Q and gold coming down. Still coming down here on both. Okay, let me make sure I am live. Yeah, I guess I'm live. And I'm not muted. So, okay, good. Still falling here on NQ. Do we have a bit of news coming up here in a couple of minutes? US ADP employment change. Don't think that's going to move the market much, but we'll see. It's one of the patterns I hate the most here. See this purple, green, purple, green, purple, green, purple, green. It's like, I mean, if I had taken the first purple and just held, or if I had just taken any of the purples, they would have worked. But when you're constantly getting them, it's kind of like, eh. Hey, Paul. That's good. I hear the train coming. Hey, Jay. Good to see you.
Order filled.
Hey, Jake. How you doing today? for long on NQ. Shooting for that 9 EMA, which is at 404. Should have my target up a little too high. Go 403. NQ retries to break. There we go. Target hit. 395 to 403, so an 8-point win. Thank you. I'm doing good. It's actually the second trade for me in the morning. The first one was before the stream. I got a $400 win on gold. Yes, on the actual gold, not micro. The order book, no idea. I do not look at order flow or DOM or anything at all like that. Only thing I look at is the candles. I think if you could sneeze with your eyes open, I think there's actually a fear that your eyes would actually pop out of your head. Nice pop there on gold. Got a little lucky on that NQ trade because it came back down, but it's still fighting up.
Sorry about all my typing that you're hearing. I'm trying to help save a company, and I don't even get any money for that. Here it is, popping nicely. Gold moving up nicely.
Just pulled back after hitting its 100 EMA on the 5. There's a pullback on gold as well. Back down on NQ. See, I got a blue candle in gold, but it's giving me the bells as well, so I'm kind of hesitant there. So I'm not gonna. Yeah, and now we got a blue stripe as well, kind of popping. So I'm gonna not play with that. Another purple candle on the 3 on that NQ. I could have grabbed that and I didn't. Eh, only went like 9 points, so I mean, ATR is 18 on the 3 minute. Gold's still struggling here. Let's get higher. Gold did end up moving out a bit on that candle. That Q candle there kind of weird. ES did a weird thing too. So says the Dow. I don't know. Gets good news there. Not that I see. There's a pullback in gold. Blue candle trying to form on the 3. Yeah, gold bounced off the 9 and the 100 right back up. I considered taking that purple candle there on gold, but I didn't. But I should have, obviously. It was a nice win. Y'all are very quiet this morning, which is fine. You can concentrate if you're concentrating. You don't need to talk. Don't ever feel pressure. Hopping up on the 5. On in Q, big candle. Yeah, a big move there in gold off that purple candle. Dang. Dang, 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 dang. And keep back below the 9 on this candle. About 46 minutes till the bell. Oh, it just moved down on gold. And Q comes back around. Morning, Tris. How are you? Hey, expat. I'm doing all right. How are you? Sorry to hear that. Big move down there on NQ. Nearing low of day, which is 354.
Order filled.
How's your trading been going, expat? Sorry to hear that too.
Target filled.
I forgot I was on micro on here. I just nailed a gold trade here. Small win, 19 ticks. Blue candles merged under the 9. Just kind of hanging there, and I could have got way more. Markets have been way more volatile. I mean, over the last week or so. It's just a case of needing to size down a little bit. Okay. We'll see in a bit. Expat. I could have got. That. Dang, that could have been a 10-point trade there. Look at NQ making new lows a day. They're interested to see if silver can get back up to 100. No, I don't think it'll do it today. But metals lately, you never know. But I didn't think we'll get back to 5,000 or 5,100 this quick on gold. Think you should be resting expat instead of trying to fight the markets? I mean, I don't know if you're trading or not. Probably, if you're already having a rough patch in trading, you might not want to try to trade while you're not feeling well. Sounds like your wife is a smart woman. I mean, I'm not trying to chase you off, expat. I don't want to see the two things that are, negatively affecting you combined to be just an absolute huge. Also, don't want to see you throw up in your keyboard.
Order filled.
Long in queue, I don't feel real good about it. Gold flying now again. Fighting here at 360. At the top of the hour coming out, that can cause some wonkiness. I might exit this trade before then. I don't know. I got just under 2 minutes. Come on, fight harder. Fight harder, long. Fight harder, longs. That's not fighting harder. Gonna put my stop real tight and hope for a burst up. Well, not real tight, but real tight to where the price action is right now.
Stop fill.
No, stop that. Should have got out in the first red candle instead of holding through. That's what I tell myself all the time. Hey, Ron, Imad, good to see you. Yeah, I like it. Did some back testing on it last night. I like it. Yeah. By the way, I'm at the news is always on the left-hand side of the screen, but we have at 9:45 a.m. Eastern, U.S. S&P PMI, 10 a.m. U.S. ISM PMI, and at 10:30 crude oil inventories. No, that's okay. A lot of people don't notice it, so don't worry about it that you missed it. No, Jolts was canceled because of the government shutdown. And NFP's been delayed, probably by a week. Hey, Robin, how are you today? Ouch, that is huge.
Order filled.
Making a play off the 3 minute here, but it looks like it's not going to work out. I'm doing all right.
Stop filled.
Nope, that didn't work out. Ouch. Was doing better a minute ago. Hey, Ace, how you doing? How's the health of the house? Hey, Nathaniel, good to see you. I haven't seen you around here for a while. And glad it was a quick recovery. Stay away from expat, though, Ace. He's sick. He's throwing up. Don't want you catching it. Everybody seems to be sick. I'm lucky. Well, I don't get sick, but I hardly ever see another human being. So I'm not around people that get sick. Nathaniel, why would you kill something you love? Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, I need to promote them more. I really need to do better with them. Yeah, I can go 2 weeks without seeing a live human being. Well, and that sounded weird. It sounds like I see dead human beings on a regular basis. I mean, I can go 2 weeks without seeing someone in person. But in the sign that I am truly getting old, on Saturday, I hurt my knee while sleeping. And it's the weirdest injury because it doesn't hurt when I'm sitting. It doesn't hurt when I'm standing. But when I go from sitting to standing, it's a horrible, horrible pain. Once I'm standing, it's fine again. I have no idea how I heard it while sleeping. No idea. I don't know if I just had an angle weird and I don't know. But it's... I sleep on a recliner. NQ continuing to hit down here. Gold giving me a purple. So yeah, I dread having to get up. It's a big purple candle there on NQ. I hate big candles. Oh, wow. Really big. Not NQ. I'm sorry. Gold. Possible bounce here on NQ. See if gold bounces. That's true, Ace. But I gotta continue getting weight off and get pressure off these joints. It's going all right so far.
Order filled.
Trying with maybe a dumb long here on NQ. We have about 17 minutes still to bell. Should have taken the long on gold. I was looking at that. That was a submerged green candle. Now it's coming back down, so we'll see. Yep, gold would have been the better choice here. Much better choice. It's going up over 60 ticks. And Q is up 1 tick. Ooh, ouch. Oh, definitely an error on my part. And Q's still trying though. You gotta give it up. Gotta give it some credit for trying.
Order filled.
It's DCA'd into that trade. Probably was a really stupid idea. Only an apex eval, so I'm messing around a little bit. No, that doesn't allow you to post link. Only mods can post links. Come on, NQ. You can do it. Not really liking it here at all. Not at all. Just struggling right around 350. This is going to lead to a stop.
Stop fill.
Alrighty then. Hey, Hassan. And gold. I should just get maybe gold needs to be my main thing now because I could have got the off the submerged green candle. I could have got a win, and then I could have got a win off this purple candle that's coming back down. Bill Gates was in the Epstein files. There's a claim that he caught an STD from someone while on Epstein's island or with someone that was set up for him by a Russian girl that was set up for him by Epstein. Although I think the I should say woman, so in this case, it was legal age. Whether or not she was being humanly trafficked, is that right? Or not, I can't say. But either way, the rumor is he caught an STD. What the files say is he got an STD. Hey Jay, good morning. Unfortunately, so many people in with money, there's this think that the rules don't apply to them or all that. I mean, just look at Wander Franco, the Ray shortstop that got caught with an underage girl. He threw away $175 million in a guaranteed contract. Hey, USC. Never quite know what you're going to hear in MightyOxTrading, Jay. Yeah, that was one of the biggest mistakes baseball ever made. Nice, Paul. Very nice. In other news, I got someone that's willing to work on the MightyOxTrading store. Might work on getting some pineapple themed merchandise in there. Nice, USC. All the snow melted, or how quickly did it warm up down there? There's a blob down in gold, and Q kind of there. I'll keep that in mind. XBet. My belly is growling. I haven't eaten in about 38 hours, I think it is. And Q popping up there off that blue candle. Wow, nice pop on NQ. Yeah, my two main goals for the year are to get somewhere near my goal weight. I don't know what my actual goal is because I've never been like not obese. So, and I also am probably gonna have to have surgery to remove skin, excess skin. So I don't know what that looks like yet, but I think I know a ballpark figure. And then my other goal is $1 million net worth. Yes, Ace.
Two minutes till the bell.
Hey, Teo. Other folks, the Apex sale ends tonight at 90% off. So does the Bull and Ox 89% off sale. Grab those while you can. Let's get ready for the bell, guys. Ding, 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 ding. It's no, I'm sorry. I started dinging, but that's not the real bell. I bet you couldn't tell, though. Big drop. Holy Hana, new low of day, 309. 309, 309. Gold dropping too. Look at the Dow flying though. I believe Dow can fly. Wow, down 116 here. ES down 10. Yeah, I saw the big drop on a video the other day. Still going. What a sell-off. Yesterday's low, 219. Monday's low, 180. See if we bounce here at all. Now down 125 points. Gold trying to bounce. NQ bursting some more. 136 now down. 141, 144. 150. Huge sell-off here. Absolutely huge. What do you mean Tradovate is broken? What are you hearing? Oh, I see. Robin has Yep. Okay. It's slow. I'm going to test it with 1 MNQ. It's working for me. Whoa, big time working for me. Take the MNQ and a long, and just got 20 points. More than that. 23 points on a one MNQ long. Should have just went forward and took the regular NQ. Nice bounce here on gold. Don't know if I trust it, but it's a nice bounce. Crude oil's rallying. I assume you're going to tell me, Paul? I'm logged in. I don't even bring up the Tradovate platform. Everything I do is through NinjaTrader, so maybe that's part of it. Yep, Gandalf, we're aware of issues logging into Tradovate. They just announced it on Tradify. The actual Tradovate platform sucks. Yeah, I like using it through NinjaTrader. Big rebound here on gold.
Order filled.
We're long, going for the 9 EMA. Hey, Crypticon, how you doing? Yeah, Q's regained the entire, oh, well, almost the entire candle. Gold struggling here. Yeah, gold not looking good for me. Should have looked at the. I didn't glance at the RSI. That was a mistake. The RSI says it still had more room to come down. This bounce not going to work. And we're stopped out. And Q coming back up.
Order filled.
Took the long on NQ on the bounce back up. Might be a mistake. I thought I wanted to continue. It was a mistake. Like I said, this playing with one apex right now. So apex eval. It's hovering right around my entry, which wasn't really a good entry. It's gonna stop me. Oh, maybe not. Oh, maybe so. Maybe not. Really volatile here. Probably a good idea, ace. Finally stopped me out. But wow, that was bobbing. Cool, Kurt. I'm gonna end up resetting this or getting a new apex for this one anyway. This one was already down a bunch, so it's kind of a YOLO type account I'm at, so it's okay. I'm not copy trading right now. It also seems like I'm getting lucky because a lot of people are reporting they can't trade, and I'm trading just fine. And look at that, it came back. If I had moved the stop all the way down, I would have been profitable in that trade now. Yeah, JJR, everybody's getting that. Gold looking to bounce. Came down to 5,000, got a little below it, now bouncing again. Huge bounce, 21 points. Oh, yeah. Thanks for reminding me about news. I totally forgot.
Extra read all about
I was just
it.
ready to take a trade here.
News in a few minutes.
What's wrong, Teo? And what company is this with? Glad I did not take that blue candle. As you see, we're coming back down. NQ looks ugly. Just to make sure you didn't walk in front of a steamroller, right, Teo? Hey, Sid, how are you today? Did you end up getting back to green yesterday, Sid? Nice. That's great recovery. Excellent. How much snow did you get, Sid? I didn't ask you that yesterday. Big pop on NQ. So about 2035, Teo?
Order Order filled. Order filled.
Damn it. Gold rising up. NQ back down. You know, if they keep having problems, I can't, yeah. If they keep having problems, I can't keep bashing Project X. It kind of sucks. No, we're not moving to Project X. I mean, I'm forced to use Project X or topstep. You know, guys, it's just amazing how people just go wild when there's snowstorm. I worked at a grocery store when Reading, Pennsylvania had one of its snowiest winters ever. It was just constant back-to-back snowstorms in this winter of '96. And the store would get cleared out each week. They'll call for it, and it was weird. The snowstorms almost always hit on Wednesdays. So it's like you saw a person come in one week, get 2 carts full of groceries to prepare for a storm, and then they call for another storm, and that same person came in for another 2 carts loads of groceries. What did they do with the last 2 carts full? I mean, it was just weird. But it was more than one person like that was doing this. And then we had a fight in the bread aisle at one point in time. Yeah, Tradovate's down. Although it might be coming back up. Okay, they're saying it's back. Tradovate's back again. Tell a friend. Really? Well, Tornado does that? My God, we did that every time here in Illinois. We'll need like multiple chest freezers. That makes sense. Down so far, it looks like. Have a good one, Jake. Yeah, Ace, you won that call 6 weeks ago. Yes, down hard. Okay, expat. Do you know how quickly I was just ready to block you there? No, he was kidding. It was a bad joke, but he was kidding. He's fine, Ace. It was a bad joke. It wasn't appropriate, but he didn't actually mean it maliciously. I mean, it was very he didn't, but it wasn't. I mean, Hassan once did something similar when we were in Share Vision, and he had to beg for me not to unban him. NQ still falling. Has broken the weekly low, which was 180. Next low is going back to January 21st at 0.25. Yeah, I'm not sure either. How long did you time him out for? I agree. There's nothing funny about it, but sometimes we just have a lack of judgment in the moment. Yeah, Ace, your joke on Veterans Day kind of equal what he just said. I don't. You really think your friendships? He seems okay with you. I'm not sure where he is today.
Order filled.
Yeah, we can group hug now that Amelia's not with us anymore.
Target filled.
I just nailed 8-point trade on regular gold. I'm not sure. Am I showing regular gold or am I showing micro? I really wish I could go back and forth, but so here I entered at 50.10, out at 50.18. He was joking, Sid. It was a bad joke at a bad time. We all forgave him, or at least most of us did. Yeah. Hassan, Amelia left the community. She even left the Discord. So again, this gold trade that I took, you can see the submerged green candle there. So the green candle well under the 9, not near any extremes, and that's why I took that. That's a good trade. Here's another one of that same example. And here, this one I took earlier. Those are what I'm looking for with what I call the submerged or the floating. When they're not near one of these blue, there's kind of, it looks like chop, and then it separates from the chop some. Here's a red candle. We had this up. That's what I'm looking for when I'm saying I'm looking for floaters or we went with submerged. Lusa just announced that Tradovate has announced that the issue is resolved. Oh, what's Hassan and Teo talking about behind their backs? Wow, the conversation on Discord is a little spicy. Casey posted his P&L saying angry trading mode engaged. And Greg responds, your P&L is sexy when it's angry. NQ with a nice bounce here. Purple candle trying to come back down here. I don't know. Nice, Mr. Hassan. Yeah, I was in that gold trade and then explaining the gold trade, and I missed this long on NQ. That was idiotic of me. Got that purple candle on gold, but I don't really trust it there. Once again, some reminders. Apex and Bonox end tonight. That's a reminder for you as well, Teo, for tomorrow's newsletter. Friday the 13th, we're doing an all-night stream. Or not all night, but we're starting at 2:30 a.m. Eastern Time. I should have trusted that gold purple. And we are going to 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time. All night long. All right. All night long. All night. We'll probably do the same thing in March. Do it Friday the 13th. Unless I absolutely have a horrible Friday the 13th this month, and then maybe we won't do it in March. As long as it's not also a full moon, from what I hear, if a full moon falls on Friday the 13th, Teo turns into a hairy pineapple. You're allowed back. Just try to prep a little better next time. Yeah, today has not been the best day. I had a bad day. Oh. So we just need to replace your bed with a bed of nails then, huh, Teo? Oh, Teo, were you able to log in now? And did you verify that all your accounts like 100% okay? All right, let's start. I gotta get up soon to feed cats, so let me take a bottle of ibuprofen. It may, I mean, yesterday for a while, it was terrible. And then it felt a little better night. I will have to see when I get up how bad it is. It's weird. It's just getting up. Sitting's fine, standing's fine. I could dance. I mean, I can't dance just because I never have been able to dance. But if I wanted to, I could dance and it wouldn't cause me a problem. Yeah, I am taking collagen. I take 6 grams a day. Taking 20 grams of creatine. AQ climbing. Yeah, my supplement stack scares most people, expat. Yep, I'm on magnesium glycinate. I do 200 milligrams in the morning, 200 milligrams at night. Big drop here on gold. Fortunately, soaking in it isn't. It wouldn't be easy for me with my only having the one leg. It would be hard to get out of the tub. Seriously, guys, this is my supplement stack. 4 breakfast, eating days, fasting days, afternoon, before bed. So yeah, say it scares most people. I still have a lot of weight to lose. Then I mean that'll first of all be good for my joints, and then I can start doing more stuff with movement. So I have literally spent hundreds of hours reading up on supplements, studying them, reading, like PubMed, etc., to build my supplement stack. Crude oil inventory is coming up in 5 minutes. Trust me, Ace, it helps. You know, it's. I do. I am on a carnivore diet, and it's beef and eggs with some cheese. I thought about trying peptides, but I have no idea where to get them that's safe, and I'm not sure I know how to inject myself. Yeah, that's good. The carnivore diet's gonna be my diet now until November, with the goal of getting down to my goal weight. When I this is the thing. First of all, most doctors don't like supplements, but when I went in with my infection that led to my amputation, the doctors literally said that the supplements I was taking probably kept me alive for a couple extra days that I didn't end up dead. Because they actually did say that if I had waited one more day, I probably wouldn't have woke up the next day. But they actually credited my supplements for going as long as I did before going in to get checked. Yeah. I mean, I eat no carbs now. I did eat carb, and it's amazing the things that you know how different I react when I'm on carbs. I did carbs over the holidays, and I really got to rethink that next year because I don't want to miss out on everything, but yet I mean I was overdoing it. I admit that, but like my eyes got so bad. I was here having to like finagle my glasses in order to see the screen. I couldn't see my NinjaTrader charts. I couldn't read the numbers. And now that I've been back on the carnivore for the past month, I can see again. My mood changes when I'm not on the carnivore. And I wasn't taking, I got totally lazy. I wasn't taking the supplements either. So if I had been taking the supplements along with eating bad, it wouldn't have, supplements you can't supplement your way out of a bad diet, but it can help. And I mean, I just got totally lazy. My mood was bad. I wasn't motivated to do anything. And I'm finally starting to feel like myself again. Yeah, I'm actually fasted right now, expat. I haven't eaten since Monday at 5 p.m. I'll eat today after the stream ends and after I feed the cat. So it's going to be about a 40-hour fast. I do alternate day fasting. So I'll eat today, won't eat tomorrow. I'll eat Friday. Then on Sunday I do a refeeding day. Sunday's the only day I have steak. I'll have a nice big steak. I'll have some eggs on Sunday. And Monday I'll also eat. Off Tuesday and so on. Oh yeah, I do also eat sardines. It's not just so yeah. Besides beef, I do eat sardines as well. That gets me my omega-3s and the good fats there. So every now and then I'll even do a sardine fast where all I eat for 2 days or so, maybe 3 days, is six or so cans of sardines each day. Definitely trying to enable autophagy because I am extremely extremely obese. And I've been extremely obese pretty much my entire life. So if I do get down to a goal weight, I'm going to have excess skin. That's going to need to be removed. But studies have shown that if you could get into a good level of autophagy regularly as you're losing weight, the problem is lessened. Not probably, if someone that's not my size, someone that's smaller, can actually maybe not need surgery at all. But I can't imagine me not needing surgery. I was 300 pounds at the age of 15, so gold continues to fall here, 49.60. I'm also, doing resistance training and making sure the protein stays high so my body doesn't start cannibalizing my muscle. Eventually, once I'm down a little bit more weight, I want to get a couple of exercise machines. Thought about doing a video showcasing where I am now, and I was sharing it with a select few of you because it'll be a very personal video about how I've got to this part, and this level of unfitness, and the plans for the journey. Oh, I watch lots of YouTube on this stuff, and then I don't just go by what the YouTube. I'm doing quote unquote things here. Experts say, I verify stuff. I love reading PubMed. I'll look up if someone, I see a video on like a supplement, something I haven't heard of before, whatever. I'll listen to what the person says. I have a few people I trust on YouTube that does good quality content, but then I'll also go and do my own research. Well, honestly, I mean, I've thrown away a lot of my life, way too much of my life. We joke about all the things that I haven't done in my life, and I joke about it, but it's kind of sad too. And to be quite honest, the weight I'm at now, or have been at, I mean, I'm down some, since I started this journey about 8 months ago. But honestly, the weight I was at then, or even at now, there's not a lot of people alive that make it to my age at my weight. Yeah, gold is looking for 4,900. Big drop from overnight. Overnight high was 51.13. So we've dropped about 170 points. Crude oil, big pullback on its inventories. That's what I'm trying to do. Yeah. Yeah, we're back to red on the day now on gold. Silver coming down hard as well. Silver and gold. Thank you, expat. Hey, John, nice to see you. Wow, now we're down 200 points from the highs on gold. Just an absolute sell-off. Let's see. Is there any type of news? What did I see? Do have U.S. Treasury Secretary Bissett speaking right now in front of the House Committee of Financial Services. Bitcoin is back down to 73.8. Maybe a bounce here on gold. Euro is bouncing. Wow, this is a huge bounce on gold. 49.09 up to 49.30. But the candle turned red. As the candle turns red, so are the days of our lives. Nope, now it's green again.
Order filled.
Oh, what the heck did I do? There we go. Come on, go up. Go up. You know you want to go up. Continue that move up. No, that's down. That's the wrong direction. Oh wow, that'll be a huge drop. Sid, my brain just collapsed on me there. Michael Saylor won't like those numbers. Thank you, John. Boom! Boom, boom, boom. 136 ticks on one regular gold contract.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
One GC, no micros. One GC. 136 ticks, 13.6 points. So it was a $1,360 trade. Thank you, thank you. NQ bouncing. I'm sorry, it's gold. Sorry. We get the wrong chart. Soybeans just blew up. Trump announced that China may buy 20 million tons more soybeans. Do I have a soy chart somewhere? I don't. Hold on. Oh, we just use this. I gotta clean up these charts. Soybeans. Why don't I remember what that symbol is? ZS, that's right. There's Z for soybeans. That big old soybean there. Go wait, that's a daily chart. Look at the 5-minute chart. That looks even. Look at that go. 19 points. I don't think I've ever seen a soybean candle that big before. No, I'm going to have to try and send her a message on Discord. I haven't heard from her in a long time. See if she's around somewhere. Soybeans just blew up because Trump said that China's going to buy 20 million tons. That's odd. Oh yeah, I'll try and see if I can get her. She's still subscribed to the channel. You know, the the thing that you're paying 99 cents or $1.99 a month. So I don't know. There we go. What did I just do? She's still on the server. And the last I talked to her was Christmas Eve of 2024. Yeah, the star means that you're a member. Membership doesn't really give you much besides a couple of extra emojis. I set it up when YouTube offered me $1,000 if I could get 30 members, and a bunch of people decided to support me and help me get that. That was back when I was still like really broke. Just sent her a message. I was thinking about actually tying a giveaway into people becoming members, but I haven't decided on that yet. Go with a blue candle. Let's see if it holds. Ace. That's right. He's helping old high school buddy learn to trade, so he might not be paying 100% attention. Red, green, or somewhere in between, guys. How do we do today? Love seeing a lot of green. Did you trade last night, John? No. I'm one of the few people on the earth that doesn't have Netflix. Nice, John. I might start watching more stuff once I get my other screen hooked up. Oh, really? John, so his injury, what, as a player or as a coach? Has he recovered from his injury? Nice. So keeping the dream alive. All right, guys, I mentioned it earlier, but a lot of you weren't here. I have someone now that's willing to work on the MightyOxTrading store. So we might work on getting some pineapple themed merchandise. But if there's anything in particular that you want to see on a mug or a jacket or a shirt or anything, let me know. We can probably figure out a way to get it designed. Yep, I see the link. Hold on. Oh yeah. Oh, you got to invite to spring training. Excellent. I'm glad he's getting another shot. Yeah, armadillos as well. In all honesty, we're trying to think of some, just some generic stuff that might have I shouldn't say generic, but like, cups with some sort of sayings on them or charts on them, things like that, that'll appeal to people that aren't even part of the community in general. That not necessarily, I guess I should say, not necessarily Mighty Ox branded. I was thinking about like having something that, like a chart with a big red candle with the word Glarg, since that's my word, no matter what Hassan says. Soybeans still flying. Flying soybeans. All right, folks. I hope everyone's had a great day today. We'll be back tomorrow at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Pretty fun day. We had interesting discussions during this pretty bad price action. Have a great rest of your day. Those of you not feeling well, hope you feel better. We'll be back tomorrow. Bisers.